Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides like this and join them on the back one by one, and then fix the hairs by making the plaits, fold it upward and fix it, and your hair bun is ready. Next, fix the ponytail and fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll it around the hairs, then fold it upward and make the bun out of it. Fix it tightly and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now roll it down and tie the rubber band on the bottom. Fix it using the hair clutch and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs like this. Fix it on the top using this bun stick. After that, tie the ribbons around the hair. Fix it by making a bow and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, roll the hairs using this bun stick. Fix it by rolling it like this and your hair bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the plaits on the hairs like this. Fix it as we are doing. Roll it together upside and then fix it using the rubber band. Fix this bun stick in the between and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.